Hi everyone, my name is Kaylani. I'm a tour guide and a student tour coordinator at Bowling Green State University.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a tour guide at Bowling Green State University.
Hi everyone, my name is Logan and I am a tour guide here at Bowling Green State University.
Hi, my name is Stephanie.
Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we are not able to have any on-campus visits during this time.
As much as I would love to show our beautiful and wonderful campus in all of its glory, I'm glad the university is putting our health first.
Now being away from my BGSU home has made me find things that I really do love and appreciate about BGSU more than I even realized when I was there on campus.
I love the community that we have on our campus.
Really love our downtown restaurants, specifically Easy Street Cafe.
Every Saturday morning we would wake up at 10 a.m. and we would go to Carillon, which is one of our dining facilities on campus, and we would go specifically for the donuts. Carillon has the best donuts. They are so good.
It's the first couple nice days here at BGSU. I get to sit out on my front porch and do homework.
Old campus, and I'd set up a nice picnic blanket. I'd have my speaker with me, and I'd find a nice shady spot to camp out for a couple hours. So
I miss going to different meals. I miss going to the dining halls. Oh my gosh, omelets on Sundays, all you care to eat. Yes, I miss that.
Although I'm in my hometown now, I miss the hometown feel of Bowling Green. It's such a welcoming and wonderful place.
I also really just missed walking to class. I love BGSU. I think it's so pretty, especially during the spring. And I just miss seeing all my fellow Falcons walking to class, looking at the scenery, and watching all the squirrels because we have a huge squirrel population on campus.
New thing that I'm starting to miss now are the Starship delivery robots, namely hearing them say "I Ziggy Zumba" after completing an order. In terms of classes, I'm really missing hearing my professors' voices every day, something that I took for granted, the amazing faculty we have teaching, and that are working so hard now to move everything back online. But I really do just miss being in our classrooms, collaborating, talking with our professors and our classmates.
Because not only do all of our staff and professors really want you to succeed, and you feel that when you're here, but also everyone on campus just has their place where they belong. And they have their friends and their little school family that they find.
The thing that I probably miss the most about campus life is just the energy. I love being a Falcon.
I know that this is a really important time in your college process.
So I just want you to know that BGSU has a lot of ways that you can explore the campus and connect with us virtually.
Make sure to check out all of our virtual offerings to explore BGSU online. BGSU is here for you and is always willing to get you connected to a current student like me. Just remember, we're all in this together.
We're all anxious for you to arrive on campus, and we're just as anxious as we are to go back to campus.
We're all in this together, and I wish you the best of luck with your college decision making.
Stay safe, know that we're all in this together, and go Falcons!
I Ziggy Zumba.